Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning the first week of August in my catch-all planner. But first, I am cutting and punching the August insert that is available to Patreon elites over on my Patreon at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic. And I will be using those to do my spread. And I'm also doing the 2020 Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. If you'd like more information on the challenge, it is available in the Scrapcraftastic group. This is the washi tape that I'm going to be using for this spread. The theme of this week's challenge is polka dots. So I'm starting out with a black washi tape, thin washi tape from Simply Gilded. And then at the bottom, I'm going to use this gold polka dot washi tape. I initially wanted to use that peach with the gold, but the washi was too wide. But we're going to work around that. And this is ink washi from Cookie Sticker Co. And since the weekend is split, I usually try and put something similar to what I put in the footer on the footer for Saturday. So here I am going to reduce the width of this washi tape. So I'm just cutting off the width that I want for the header. And placing that in the header. And then I'm using the excess to add to the top part of the days of the week. And here I'm just going through one of my Happy Planner sticker books and looking for stickers to use. I found this black and white polka dot and it gives a lot of contrast. So it will make the spread pop. Then here is one, it's kind of confetti polka dots, but I figured I could use that as well. And then I found another one with some smaller confetti polka dots. And I am adding that to Thursday. And then I wanted to use this plans box. It has the peach outline. It was the perfect color scheme. And I'm really trying to use up some of these Happy Planner stickers because of the way I plan. I probably wouldn't use many of them unless I made a conscious effort to use them. So you'll see me using them quite a bit in future videos. I'm using the checklist. The little hearts are a good way to highlight things. And I added the Be Fearless header, and I'm going to use this black and white polka dot washi to really give that polka dot feel, because usually when I think of polka dots, I always think of black and white. And even though I use different colors in this spread with polka dots, really black and white is what I think of. So I had to add some of that. And I'm just using colorful boxes to add a little accent area and a place to write, because I do have an appointment Tuesday morning. And I'm choosing one of the dolls from Fabulously Creative, and she just happened to match perfectly with this spread. So then I'm just flipping through, seeing if there are any other stickers from Fabulously Creative that I can use. I'm using this envelope to check my post office box on Monday. And then I'm using this hustle sticker on Thursday. And this So Fancy sticker by the doll. I'm using this payday sticker or money sticker from JD Brooklyn, as well as the trash can sticker from JD Brooklyn. And I'm going to layer the trash sticker on one of the Colorful Boxes stickers so that it will stand out a little bit more. I'm using one of my favorite planner stickers, and I'm going to use a few of my smaller JD Brooklyn stickers. And I also put a patent sticker down from Gold Mining Cocoa. And that's it for this spread. I'm going to pop it back in. I decided that I wanted to move those JD Brooklyn stickers. It just seemed like they were in the wrong space, so I moved those down towards the bottom. And that's it for this spread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!